Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Lenovo ThinkBook 16G7. This laptop's been getting a lot of attention lately, and honestly, it's easy to see why. With its stylish look, solid specs, and a price tag that's pretty hard to ignore, the ThinkBook 16G7 sounds like a great deal. But is it really as good as it seems? Let's find out together. Stick around as we chat about its features, performance, and whether it's actually worth your money, or if you should keep looking. Okay, before we dive into all the details, let's make sure we're all talking about the same thing. The star of the show today is the Lenovo ThinkBook 16G7, and the exact model we've got here is 21MW0001US. I know, those model numbers can look like a secret code, but they're actually super important, especially if you're hunting for this exact version online or trying to compare it with other laptops. So if you want to follow along or look it up later, jot down 21MW0001US. That way you'll know you're checking out the same specs and features I'm about to talk about. Oh, and just so you know, the SKU, kind of like a store's barcode, is 6586762. It might feel like a lot of numbers, but hey, we want to make sure you get the right info. Alright, let's chat about the price, because let's be honest, that's usually the first thing we all want to know. The Lenovo ThinkBook 16G7 with this setup comes in at $669.99. Now, I know that's not pocket change, but in the laptop world, especially for what you're getting, it's actually a pretty solid deal. This is right in that sweet mid-range zone. You're not shelling out for a super pricey Ultrabook, but you're also not stuck with a bargain bin laptop that can't keep up. Lenovo's really trying to hit that perfect balance between price and performance, and honestly, at least on paper, it looks like they've done a good job. But of course, what really matters is how it actually performs in real life. So let's jump in and see if this laptop is really worth that $669 price tag. Alright, let's dive into what makes the ThinkBook 16G7 such a great pick. First off, let's talk about performance. This laptop is built to handle just about anything you throw at it, whether you're working, studying, or just relaxing online. Inside, you've got an AMD Ryzen 5 processor, which is kind of a big deal when it comes to speed and efficiency. Thanks to this chip, everyday stuff like opening apps or juggling a bunch of tasks at once feels super smooth. No annoying slowdowns here. So if you're the type who always has a million tabs open, or you're editing docs and streaming videos at the same time, the ThinkBook 16G7 keeps up without breaking a sweat. And for anyone who likes to dabble in creative stuff like a bit of photo editing, this laptop handles it easily. The combo of a solid processor and plenty of RAM means you won't be waiting around for things to load. Basically, it's all about a stress-free, efficient experience. No fuss, just getting things done. Now, let's chat about build quality. Lenovo's known for making tough, reliable laptops, and this one totally lives up to that reputation. The chassis feels sturdy, like it could handle a few bumps or drops without any drama. That's always reassuring, right? Whether you're working from home, the office, or out and about, this laptop is built to go the distance. Seriously, it just feels solid in your hands. And while we're on the topic of looks, the design is really clean and professional. It's got that modern vibe without being flashy. The ThinkBook 16G7 isn't going to scream for attention like a gaming laptop, but honestly, it's the kind of device you'd feel good about bringing to a coffee shop or a meeting. It's got that subtle, stylish look that works for both work and play. Sure, it's not as flashy as a gaming laptop, but you definitely won't mind being seen with it wherever you go. Now, let's talk about the keyboard. It's actually really comfortable to type on, nice and tactile with just the right amount of key travel. The keys are spaced out well, so you're less likely to make typos. If you type a lot, you'll definitely appreciate that. It just feels good to use whether you're firing off emails or working on a big project. And the trackpad, it's big and super responsive, which makes getting around the screen a breeze. Multi-touch gestures work great too. Having a roomy, responsive trackpad is always a win in my book. So, all in all, the ThinkBook 16G7 really nails it when it comes to performance, build, and design. If you're after a reliable laptop that just works, this one's definitely worth a look. Alright, let's be real. No laptop is perfect, right? The ThinkBook 16G7 definitely has a lot going for it, but there are a few things you might want to keep in mind before making your decision. First up, the display. It's totally fine for everyday stuff like browsing, streaming, or working on documents. But if you're hoping for super vibrant colors or top-notch color accuracy, especially for creative work, this screen might not quite hit the mark. So, if you're a photographer or a videographer who needs those colors to be spot on, you might want to look at other options, or maybe just hook up an external monitor. The color reproduction here just isn't as punchy as what you'd get on some higher-end laptops, and that could be a deal breaker if color accuracy is a big deal for you. Next, let's talk battery life. It's decent, but not exactly mind-blowing. These days some laptops can last all day without breaking a sweat, but the ThinkBook 16G7 is more middle of the road. You'll probably get about 6 to 7 hours with mixed use, which is totally fine for most folks. But if you're planning to work unplugged for a long stretch, it's a good idea to keep your charger nearby, especially if you're running demanding apps or like your screen nice and bright. And then there's the RAM. 8 gigs is enough for everyday stuff, but if you're someone who loves to multitask or uses heavier programs, you might start to feel a bit cramped. Opening a bunch of browser tabs, editing big files, or running apps like Photoshop can really push it. If you're into video editing or running virtual machines, it's definitely worth considering a version with more RAM. 16 gigs or more can make a big difference. It'll help everything run smoother, especially when you're juggling lots of tasks. So, while the ThinkBook 16G7 is a solid pick for a lot of people, just keep these things in mind and think about what matters most for your workflow. Alright, let's break down what's actually inside the Lenovo ThinkBook 16G7. Whether you're a busy professional, a student juggling assignments, or just someone who wants a laptop that won't let you down, this one's built to handle a bit of everything. We've already mentioned the AMD Ryzen 5 processor, and honestly, it's a pretty solid choice for most people. It's got enough power to keep things running smoothly, whether you're multitasking, editing videos, or dabbling in a bit of graphic design. But let's take a closer look at the rest of the specs, and see why this laptop could be a great fit for you. You're getting 8 GB of DDR4 RAM here, which is honestly plenty for most day-to-day stuff. That means you can have a bunch of tabs open, run different apps, or even play some light games without your laptop slowing down. For things like working on documents, streaming your favorite shows, or hopping on video calls, 8 GB of RAM is more than enough to keep things running smoothly. When it comes to storage, you've got a 256 GB SSD. That's pretty standard these days, but the real win is how fast SSDs are. Your laptop boots up quickly, files transfer in a snap, and you don't have to deal with the lag of old-school hard drives. Thanks to the SSD, everything just feels snappier and more responsive. Sure, 256 GB isn't massive, but it's enough for your operating system, the apps you use most, and a good chunk of files. For everyday use, it should do the trick. And if you ever need more space, don't worry. There are easy ways to add more storage. You can always plug in an external hard drive for those big files, or use cloud storage if you want to access your stuff from anywhere. It's super convenient, especially for photos, videos, or sharing files with friends. Cloud storage is also a great way to keep your files backed up, so you don't have to stress about losing anything important. Now, let's talk about ports. The ThinkBook 16G7 gives you a nice variety, so you won't be hunting for adapters every time you want to plug something in. You get USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and even an SD card reader. That means you can hook up an external monitor, transfer files quickly, or use your favorite accessories without any hassle. The SD card reader is especially handy if you're into photography or video. Just pop your card in and transfer your shots in seconds. Basically, whatever you need to connect, this laptop's got you covered. Presentations, extra USB devices, you name it. Prefer a wired internet connection? No problem, there's an Ethernet port too. That's perfect if you want a super stable connection for things like gaming or big downloads. The Ethernet port is a real bonus for anyone who needs fast, reliable internet, especially if Wi-Fi isn't always the best where you are. I also love that Lenovo included a backlit keyboard. It's such a small thing, but it makes a big difference if you're working late or in a dim room. And the webcam? It's not the fanciest, but it totally works for video calls, online classes, or catching up with friends and family. You'll look clear enough for meetings and calls, no need to buy a separate camera unless you really want to. All in all, the ThinkBook 16G7 packs in a lot of useful features. It's a well-balanced laptop that covers performance, storage, and all the connections you might need. So whether you're working, studying, or just want a laptop that keeps up with your everyday life, the ThinkBook 16G7 is definitely worth a look. And that's a wrap. The Lenovo ThinkBook 16G7 is honestly a pretty awesome pick if you want something reliable and stylish. Sure, it's not perfect, but it really nails that sweet spot between performance, features, and price. Whether you're a student, a pro, or just need a solid everyday laptop, the ThinkBook 16G7 is definitely worth a look, without emptying your wallet. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss any of our future tech reviews. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.